Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about what is meant by science library, e-book and e-resources. First we are going to see what is meant by science library, e-book and e-resources and what is the meaning of library and the importance of science library and classifications of books in library like textbook, handbook, workbook, reference book and e-resources that are available in the library like e-book, databases, e-library and e-journals. First we see what is meant by library. A library is a collection of sources of information or similar resources made accessible to a defined community for reference or borrowing. It provides physical or digital access to material. A well set up library is the replica of a good institution. It should be the primary requisite for every school. Next we see what is the meaning of library. The word library means a collection of books for study, research, reference and recreation. It is derived from the Latin word liber, which means a book. The library has changed functions over a period of time with the change in its. Next we see what is the definitions of library. A collection or group of collection of books and other point or non-print materials organized and maintained for use. A room or set of rooms where books and other library material are kept. A collection of literary material like films, CD kept for borrowing or reference. Next, importance of science library. It facilitates self-study and self-education, develop curiosity among students to know more and more about the science and make the students to know more about surrounding worlds, develop scientific attitude among students and helps in putting progressive methods of teaching. Reading resources. Classifications of books in a library. There are 5 classifications of books in library. They are textbook, handbook, workbook, supplementary reader and reference book. First one, textbook. Printed material that plays a major role and vital role in teaching and learning as well as widely used as instructional material. Let's see what are the uses of textbook. Ready source of authoritative information, helps to form correct understanding of basic concept, stimulate reflective thinking, cultivate scientific attitudes. Next, handbook. Resource material for teachers, excellent reference material. Handbook contains summarizes of chapters, list of instructional objectives, explanation of significant technical terms, provision for conducting seminars, projects and other co-curricular activities. And the third one, advantages of handbook. Equip the teacher with sufficient knowledge, provide suitable learning experience, helps to adopt appropriate teaching methods and approaches, helps to evaluate learning. Third one, workbook. A practice material for people. They practice what they have learned with the help of workbook. Workbook provides a key to exercise, suggestions for assignments and summary of chapters. Then advantages of workbook. Promote the self-learning and self-assessment, reinforce scientific thinking and learning. And fourth one, supplementary reader. Reading extra books in science helps students to develop their maximum potentials. And advantages of supplementary reader, it stimulates further reading, encourage thinking and discussion, develop interest towards applied aspects of science. And fifth one, reference book. Reference book helps to get quick specific facts or informations or an overview of subject. Some examples for reference book sources are dictionaries, encyclopedia, bibliographics and atlas. These are the images related to bibliographic atlas and the science dictionary. The next one, e-resources. These are the e-resources available in the e-science library. They are e-book, databases, e-library and e-journals. First one, e-book. An e-book is an electronic book that you can read on your PC, laptop, mobile phones or e-reader devices. E-book can be electronic version of printed book. They come in a variety of format or which can be read online, but some are also allowed to download or print the entire book or sections. The best places to find ebooks are Amazon Kindle, Apple Bookstore, Google Play Bookstore, freeebook.net, Smashwords and Bookrigs. These are the apps that used to download the find ebooks in the e-resources. The databases. A database is an electronic collection of information organized to allow users to get their information by searching in various ways. The examples for databases are articles from magazines, newspapers, peer-reviewed journals. The six base databases for science resources. JSTOR is a free database that includes academic essays and articles from various fields. Then PubMed, Web of Science, Science Direct, Directory of Open Access Journal, and EBSCBO. These are the six best databases for science sources. The third one, e-library, a set of documents available through electronic means by the use of digital technologies that allows for the retrieval, archiving, and preservation and dissemination of those documents. JRD Tata Memorial Library is popularly known as the Indian Institute of Science Library. It is one of the best science libraries in India, started in 1911. Then availability of free e-libraries. Internet Archives, Project Gutenberg, National Digital Library of India, Open Library, mypustak.com, Hathi Digital Library. The fourth one, e-journal. Electronic journals are periodicals in the form of magazines or specialized newspapers which are published in electronic format. Electronic journals are accessed via electronic transmission to provide material for academic research and study. Some first journals for science are Review of Modern Physics, Living Reviews in Relativity, Nature Reviews of Physics. In conclusion, a science library plays an important role in promoting the progress of knowledge. The digital libraries can save the time and money of the society by its services. It is curates of a collection of sources of information and resources selected by experts and made accessible to a defined community for reference or borrowing. These are the references for this topic, e-library and science library. What are the e-resources that are available in the science library? You can advise, you can more, and you can learn more about the science library, e-library, e-resources. Thank you.